Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you that how to get a word count from the string. This is the string and here I'm using string array and the string array name is str2. I'm using this string value name dot split which will get the each word from that particular list. This space is a separator here I have used. Within the quotes you can see, and I'm creating a list to get all the values from array. Arrays.asList. If you give that str2, that is a string array name, it will be converted as a list. Here I'm just using a for loop. Size, I'm getting the size of the particular list, size. This function will get the count of each words in a list, and dot getI function will fetch one by one value from lst1, and also I'm using collection.frequency. Within that function we have to give just list name and list name dot getI. GetI function will get the value of each iteration. If I run this one, you will get that result as this count is 2. You see here as count is 2. Again it's repeating as count is 2 because our requirement is just to fetch the value of the count. Is also again repeating here. Just have a look. Let me run this program and show you once again. Yeah, here just I have already have compiled this program. I'm running now. Again it's getting the same results whatever we have seen earlier. Okay, so just a simple for loop to fetch the value from a list, and by using this collection.frequency we are going to get all the word count. Now I'm going to show you that how to use for each loop. Here we have used for loop. To create a for each loop, the format will be different. It's like for string, and we have to give the string name, new name. I'm giving as variable 1 here, colon, the list name lst1. We can directly use this var1. No need to add any function here like getI function, whatever we have used earlier in this system.out.println. I'm just copying this one, trying to utilize. Yeah, here we have to just make some changes. So instead of getI, just we have to give that var1. This for each loop will fetch or iterate each value from that list. Here also just make a change like var1. So this will get directly values from the list. That's all. Again, if you run this program, you will get the same results. Just to show you that how to use for loop and for each loop.